Gagne's theory of instruction. I'm going to illustrate how the discussion question was how this impacts my instructional design. I'm going to illustrate this in the athletic space as I'm a basketball coach and how I use some of these strategies, maybe not in the conventional way, but all of these concepts and ideas are addressed throughout the coaching process. Um, Starting with the intellectual skills. Basically, the background with this is a coach of all team sports, basketball, football, baseball. You were given a group of athletes. Your job is to collectively uh, educate these athletes on a team goal, winning games, have all of these guys addressed in a specific strategy to win games and working collaboratively to seek those goals while having individual tasks, individual talents, individual skill sets, the shaping of their mindset of trying to collectively come together and reach a collective goal is a challenging task. But one of the um, main features of coaching is the intellectual ability to address those needs. Cognitive strategy. This would be strategic implementation of specific sets or specific plays. As a coach, your job is to get all of the athletes on your team focus on the instruction that you're given to have uniformity with the guys' attention, with their execution of the actual plays you're calling, to actually the ability to create a play and have all of those athletes execute it correctly. Verbal information. This is something that as a player, I learned from my college coach. The way that you speak to your athletes or the instruction that you give, the sternness of your voice or the connection that you have goes a long way with the digestion and actually execution of what it is that you're seeking for that athlete. So the verbal communication and information that is an important role in the whole process of coaching. Attitude. Uh, all of your athletes, you want them to develop a championship attitude. You want them to be mentally tough. You want them to execute the strategic things that you work on in practice. You want them to be able to persevere through adversity. You want them to have a demeanor that is impenetrable. You don't want your athletes to show any weakness at any point in time. Motor skills. The goal, especially in high school athletics, is to get your kids college scholarships. The development of all of those other tools and the strategy that you implement and the training that you put your athletes through, the goal is to improve their actual skill set so that they can receive a scholarship. This is one of our athletes that received a scholarship to Faulkner University, Faulkner State College, I'm sorry, junior college. We've had several athletes receive scholarships since I've been at Southwood in high school, and just that's just the climax to the whole process.